They heard a sound in Jesus' day, but they couldn't identify the sound. They missed it. They even heard the sound of John the Baptist. They heard the voice crying out, but they couldn't get it. You must hear the sound of the Spirit. You must hear the voice of God saying, "Come to me." You must hear Him. You must hear the sound of heaven drawing you. You must hear the sound of His presence. You've got to get to that place where nothing matters but the voice, the sound. You must get there. It must drown out all else in your life. All the care,